Ever dreamed of growing your own food, raising happy animals, and living more sustainably? You don't need acres of land for true self-sufficiency. Welcome to our practical guide on building a thriving homestead on just 1 acre. We'll show you how to maximize every square foot, turning your small plot into a productive oasis. From smart zone planning and garden placement to choosing the right small livestock, collecting precious water, and planning your seasons, this video is packed with beginner-friendly steps to kickstart your journey. The first step to maximizing a small space is understanding zone planning. Imagine concentric circles from your home, Zone 1 closest, Zone 5 furthest. This system places elements logically, reducing travel and boosting efficiency. For a 1 acre plot, we focus on Zones 1 to 3, putting most used resources within easy reach. It's about working smarter, not harder, ensuring your limited land yields the best results. Zone 1 is your most visited area, right outside your door. Think kitchen garden, herb spirals, and salad greens, items you'll harvest daily. Place basil, mint, chives, and lettuce here. Easy access means you'll use them more, reducing waste. For a small homestead, raised beds or containers near your back door work perfectly. Consider vertical gardening here too, growing upwards saves precious ground space. Moving further out, Zones 2 and 3 house your main vegetable garden, small fruit trees, and berry bushes. Zone 2, visited a few times weekly, is for larger crops like tomatoes, peppers, and beans. Zone 3 is for perennials or less frequent harvests. On 1 acre, intensive or square-foot gardening is key. Consider dwarf fruit trees or espalier techniques to maximize yield from a small footprint. For small homesteads, chickens are excellent livestock. They provide fresh eggs, pest control, and their manure enriches compost. Just 3 to 6 hens can supply a family. Ensure their coop is predator secure, providing 2 to 3 square feet per bird inside and 8 to 10 square feet in an outdoor run. Integrate them into Zone 3 or 4, where their foraging helps with weeding and bug control in retired garden beds. Rabbits are another fantastic small livestock option for a 1 acre homestead. They're quiet, clean, reproduce quickly, and need minimal space. Rabbits can be raised for meat, fur, or their incredibly rich manure, black gold, perfect for your garden without composting. A small hutch or movable tractor run can house several efficiently. Integrate them into Zone 4 for easy feeding, cleaning, and manure collection. Water is life for a self-sufficient homestead. On a small property, maximizing water resources is critical. Rainwater harvesting is a must. Install rain barrels or cisterns connected to your downspouts. Just 1 inch of rain on a 1,000 square foot roof yields 600 gallons. This chlorine-free water is perfect for gardens and livestock. Consider graywater, with biodegradable soaps, for non-edible plants. Every drop counts on your 1 acre paradise. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive homestead. On a small scale, composting is your superpower. Turn kitchen scraps and garden waste into nutrient-rich black gold for your garden. A 3-bin system or tumbling composter works efficiently. Integrate compost bins into Zone 3 or 4. Also, practice companion planting and cover cropping to improve soil health, suppress weeds, and attract beneficial insects. Feed the soil, and it will feed you. To maximize yield year-round from your 1 acre homestead, seasonal planning and crop rotation are indispensable. Don't plant just once, plant successive plantings of quick-growing crops like lettuce and radishes. Harvest one, then amend the soil and plant another. Crop rotation is crucial. Avoid planting the same vegetable family in the same spot annually to prevent pests and nutrient depletion. Map your garden, ensure continuous harvest and maintain soil vitality. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. Building a self-sufficient homestead is a journey, not a race. Start small. Begin with a single raised bed for Zone 1 herbs. Then perhaps a small chicken coop. Observe your land, understand its sun exposure and microclimates. Don't implement everything at once. Focus on one or two projects, learn from them and expand gradually. Each successful step builds confidence. The most important thing is to just begin. Your homestead starts with that first seed. There you have it, a practical guide to building a thriving, self-sufficient homestead on just 1 acre. We covered zone planning, smart garden placement, integrating small livestock like chickens and rabbits, essential water collection, and vital soil building with seasonal planning. Self-sufficiency isn't about a huge farm, it's about maximizing what you have, learning, and connecting with your food. You absolutely can create a bountiful homestead, even with limited land. Roll up your sleeves and plant your dream.